A diamond-shaped sign with a black symbol usually indicates A. A regulatory instruction you must follow. B. Road conditions and hazards ahead. C. Services such as gas and food. D. The beginning of a freeway. Answer: B. Road conditions and hazards ahead. A five-sided, pentagon, sign means A. School zone or school crossing ahead. B. Yield to pedestrians only. C. Stop before the crosswalk. D. Road work ahead. Answer: A. School zone or school crossing ahead. A yellow and black circular sign with RR means A. No right turn. B. Roundabout ahead. C. Railroad crossing ahead. D. Right lane ends. Answer: C. Railroad crossing ahead. You should dim your high beam headlights to low beams. A. Only when driving in the city. B. Within 500 feet of an oncoming vehicle. C. Within 200 feet of a vehicle behind you. D. Only on foggy nights. Answer: B. Within 500 feet of an oncoming vehicle. When steering with the hand-to-hand, push/pull method, you should A. Cross your hands over the wheel. B. Keep your hands at 9 and 3 or 8 and 4 positions. C. Steer with one hand only at all times. D. Use your knees to steady the wheel. Answer: B. Keep your hands at 9 and 3 or 8 and 4 positions. When backing up straight, you should A. Use your mirrors only. B. Look over your shoulder and back slowly. C. Keep one hand at 9 o'clock. D. Always use both hands at the bottom of the wheel. Answer: B. Look over your shoulder and back slowly. Good drivers scan the road. A. One block ahead only. B. Just the car directly in front. C. Only in their mirrors. D. 10 to 15 seconds ahead for hazards. Answer: D. 10 to 15 seconds ahead for hazards. When approaching a hill or curve with limited visibility, you should A. Maintain your speed. B. Slow down and be prepared to stop. C. Flash your headlights. D. Drive in the left lane. Answer: B. Slow down and be prepared to stop. If you see a vehicle stopped at a crosswalk, you should A. Pass quickly. B. Stop and not pass, it may be yielding to a pedestrian. C. Honk to warn pedestrians. D. Drive onto the sidewalk. Answer: B. Stop and not pass, it may be yielding to a pedestrian. At a four-way stop, if two vehicles arrive at the same time, the right-of-way goes to A. The larger vehicle. B. The vehicle on the left. C. The vehicle on the right. D. Whoever flashes headlights first. Answer: C. The vehicle on the right. At a T intersection without signs, who has the right-of-way? A. Vehicles on the through road. B. Vehicles on the terminating road. C. The first vehicle to stop. D. The vehicle turning left. Answer: A. Vehicles on the through road. Unless posted otherwise, the maximum speed limit on two-lane undivided highways in California is A. 45 miles per hour. B. 55 miles per hour. C. 65 miles per hour. D. 70 miles per hour. Answer: B. 55 miles per hour. On most California freeways, the maximum speed limit is A. 60 miles per hour. B. 65 miles per hour. C. 70 miles per hour where posted. D. 55 miles per hour in all cases. Answer: C. 70 miles per hour where posted. The 3-second rule helps you determine A. Safe following distance. B. The time needed to change lanes. C. Proper parking angle. D. Safe speed for curves. Answer: A. Safe following distance. Large trucks need more space because A. They take longer to stop. B. They are easier to maneuver. C. They are always empty. D. They stop faster than cars. Answer A. They take longer to stop. When turning left, wheels should remain A. Pointed left while waiting. B. Pointed straight until turning. C. Turn toward the curb. D. Locked to the right. Answer B. Pointed straight until turning. A U-turn is illegal. A. At an intersection with a green light. B. On a one-way street. C. In a residential district when no cars are near. D. Across a double yellow line when clear. Answer B. On a one-way street. A flashing red light means A. Slow down only. B. Treat it as a green light. C. Yield to oncoming traffic without stopping. D. Stop, then proceed when safe. Answer D. Stop, then proceed when safe. A flashing yellow arrow means A. A protected turn. B. Turn left after yielding to oncoming traffic. C. Stop and wait for green. D. U-turn permitted at all times. Answer B. Turn left after yielding to oncoming traffic. When driving in fog, you should use A. Low beam headlights. B. High beam headlights. C. Parking lights only. D. No lights. Answer A. Low beam headlights. Hydroplaning occurs when A. Brakes overheat. B. Tires ride on a film of water and lose traction. C. Too much air is in the tires. D. Engine overheats on a hill. Answer B. Tires ride on a film of water and lose traction. In California, drivers under May 18th use A. Hands-free devices. B. Cell phones only in emergencies. C. Text messaging only at red lights. D. Bluetooth with parental consent. Answer B. Cell phones only in emergencies. Eating, texting, or reaching for objects while driving. A. Helps keep you alert. B. Is only dangerous at night. C. Is legal at low speeds. D. Can distract you and increase crash risk. Answer D. Can distract you and increase crash risk. A single broken yellow line means A. Passing is not allowed. B. Only turn left. C. Passing is allowed when safe. D. Stop before proceeding. Answer C. Passing is allowed when safe. Passing is illegal within A. 100 feet of an intersection or railroad crossing. B. 200 feet of a freeway ramp. C. 400 feet of a stoplight. D. A bike lane. Answer A. 100 feet of an intersection or railroad crossing. Parking at a blue curb means A. Commercial vehicles only. B. Disabled persons with placards. C. Passenger loading only. D. Limited time parking. Answer B. Disabled persons with placards. When merging onto a freeway. A. Stop before entering. B. Enter slowly and hug the shoulder. C. Always yield to traffic entering. D. Enter at or near the speed of traffic. Answer D. Enter at or near the speed of traffic. At railroad crossings without gates, you should A. Speed up if no train is visible. B. Stop, listen, and look both ways. C. Honk and proceed. D. Follow the vehicle in front closely. Answer B. Stop, listen, and look both ways. In a school zone when children are present, the speed limit is A. 15 miles per hour. B. 35 miles per hour. C. 25 miles per hour. D. 20 miles per hour. Answer C. 25 miles per hour. You must always yield to pedestrians. A. At all crosswalks, marked or unmarked. B. Only at marked crosswalks. C. Only when traffic signals allow. D. Only in business districts. Answer A. At all crosswalks, marked or unmarked. When passing a bicyclist, you must allow at least A. 1 foot. B. 3 feet. C. 5 feet. D. Half a lane. Answer B. 3 feet. Driving under the influence, DUI, is defined as driving with a BAC of A. 0.04% or higher for drivers 21 plus. B. 0.1% or higher for all drivers. C. 0.08% or higher for drivers 21 plus. D. 0.05% for drivers under 18. Answer C. 0.08% or higher for drivers 21 plus. If you are involved in a collision, you must A. Leave immediately if no one is hurt. B. Call police only if you're at fault. C. Only report if damage exceeds $10,000. D. Stop, exchange information, and report if required. Answer D. Stop, exchange information, and report if required. Tires must have at least this tread depth. A. 1/16 inch. B. 1/32 inch. C. 1/8 inch. D. 3/32 inch. Answer B. 1/32 inch. California law requires drivers to carry proof of A. Carpool eligibility. B. Vehicle insurance. C. Emissions testing. D. Smog certification only. Answer B. Vehicle insurance. Carpool (HOV) lanes are reserved for A. Vehicles with 2+ occupants, motorcycles, or low-emission vehicles with decals. B. Only buses and trucks. C. Solo drivers at all times. D. Any vehicle between midnight and 6 a.m. Answer A. Vehicles with 2+ occupants, motorcycles, or low-emission vehicles with decals.